Hello, Arellano.
Ma'am, kailangan po kayo dito sa restaurant. May problema po.
Relax, kaya mo na yan. I'm having fun with my friends, so bye. Let's go, girls! Yeah. I'm so drained. I can do this. I can do this. Where's my boyfriend? Oh God. Ah. Angel, ano na naman ang nangyayari? Another month, lugi tayo. Binigay ko sa yung restaurant, tapos sisirain mo lang? Mom, I do everything I can, but it's really hard. Ginawa! Nakita ko yung restaurant mo. Walang tao, at ang dumi pa. I sacrifice everything. Tapos ikaw? Nagpabaya ka lang? Mom, give me another chance. Another chance? Ilang chance may bigay ko sa'yo? You're a disgrace! Dapat masolusyonan mo yan. Huwag kang iyak. Mom, are you okay? You know what, Pagador? I messed up a big time. I ruined everything, and I don't know what to do anymore. Mom, it's not too late. Mom, there are still many ways to race again. We're here to support you. Talaga? Kahit nagkamali ako? Of course, you're a good person. You just need to believe in yourself.
Ma'am, akala namin hindi na kayo babalik.
Babawi ako. I won't let you down. At tulungan niyo akong ayusin to. Okay guys, let's be real. We're losing money and we need a plan. Mr. Likanda, what do you suggest?
We need a strategic plan. First, we need to define our vision and mission. And what do we want to our restaurant?
I think our vision should be bring to taste to everyone.
And our vision is serve authentic food with a modern twist using fresh and local ingredients.
I agree. But we also need to listen to our customers. What do they want?
All these are good, but we need to cut the cost. We're spending too much on the ingredients.
I don't want to compromise the quality of our food. Maybe we can find a cheaper suppliers.
That's a good idea. Tabao Suarez, can you research that? Esmeralda, what about marketing?
We need to boost our social media presence, more engaging content, maybe some promos.
Okay, let's focus on those things and we need to work together to make this happen. Mr. Dikanda, thank you for believing in me, and I don't know what I would be done without you.
You have a potential, Miss Pinalosa. You just need to trust yourself and believe. We'll do this together.
I'm scared, but I'm also determined. I won't let you down.
I know you won't. Just remember our vision and mission, and we'll be fine.
So you're telling me you have good plan to turn this business around?
Yes, we do. We've analyzed our problems, defined our vision, and created a strategic plan to achieve our goals.
Also made some changes. We're using fresher ingredients, improving customer service, and boosting our marketing efforts.
I'm still not convinced. What if you fail again? I can promise you that we won't face challenges. But I can promise you that we'll work hard and never give up. I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm ready to lead this business to success. Okay, I give you a chance, but I expect to see results.
marami na po tayong customer ngayon kaysa dati.
Our social media is blowing up. People are loving our new dishes.
See, we're making progress. And we just need to keep working hard and stay focused.
The secret to success, it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times yet back up. Every failure is a new lesson. Every struggle is a new step. Just never give up because success belongs to those who refuse to quit.